Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And I have started something new. It's called consulting service or consultation service, whatever you call it. So this is for those people, I have come across so many, people contacting me on Microsoft Teams here. And, they have issues with their previous trades. Okay, so they're either stuck in the trade or they lost some trades and they need some mentor, they need some guidance, and obviously they can't afford thousands of dollars to pay a mentor. Okay, so my skills are of the same level as well. I could charge you $10,000 for my mentorship, but I think if you want to speak to somebody one to one in person who has this knowledge, I have this consultation service which you can go and book 30 minutes consultation initially. Okay. And if you have any questions in your mind, you can ask me. If you had been in the losing streak, you had been losing all these trades, you want me to review those trades for you, I can do that during that call. Or I can connect with your laptop and remotely, and I can see your chart setup, and I can recommend you if anything has to be updated or changed on your chart setup. Okay, so you can go and check out the first link, and then the second link says get my swing setups. In case you want to take my trades, then join the monthly membership here. And I also have the swing trading on automation robot. So this robot does swing trading on automation based on daily chart. It only takes 1 to 2 trades per month, high quality. Okay, and you can always join my free Telegram. So before we start the actual analysis, I wanted to give you all this because yeah, you can go and book one-to-one consultation. As I said, even if you have psychology issues that you can't wait, sometimes it happens you exit out of the trade and then the trade moves into that direction. Okay, it happens very common. Okay, so far if you have been blowing up your account, you have some issues with the patience level, whatever, you want to discuss your previous trades or you want some help as a mentor, then click on the first link below where it says book consultation, check and check brokers, and check out these links too. So once you click on the first link, I'll show you how it looks like and what to do here. So scroll down and it says book one-to-one consultation audio call for 30 minutes, and that's the price here. And after you make the payment, you can email me or you can send me a message on Microsoft Teams directly here. That's Microsoft Teams. So we will connect audio call with you on Microsoft Teams only. And you can discuss everything in, you can have your questions ready and we can talk about all of this in next 30 minutes. Okay, I'm doing this because you know what, by the looks of it, you can know now. If you watch my YouTube videos, I like to talk. Okay, so I do like to talk, and that's why I'm doing this for those people who are actually in need of help. Okay, so for example, let's say you can't pay $10,000 to a mentor right now. Okay, if you can't pay, let's say, thousands of dollars to some mentor, and they probably will not even have my skill. They might have the money. Make money is a different thing, than skill. Somebody might have so much skill but not that kind of money. Somebody might have that kind of money but not skill. Okay, so again, if you can't afford to pay those mentors $10,000, you can always book the short 30 minutes call, because I am doing this not for money. For example, a person like me with my skill can make more money than $97 with my trading. Okay, so I am doing this because I like to talk. So if you go and watch my analysis videos, this person likes to talk when he record the YouTube videos. Okay, and I'm doing this for those people who actually are either stuck in a losing streak or they just need some mental guidance. Okay, so if you want to learn more and you have questions, then book one-to-one consultation. You can check out these brokers here for yourself. Okay, whichever country you're from, these are the brokers. Go and join them and check out the link, subscribe, like and share. And now let's start the analysis finally. Alrighty, USDJPY today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, on this candle last Sunday, I told you that we are going to go down. This was your bearish candle. I just told you. This low was taken. This was your bearish engulfing candle. We had to go down. This is free money. This was free money. If you enter short here, you made 300 pips, I guess. Okay. So whatever, I told you on Sunday. I told you on Sunday we're going to go down. Coming back to daily chart, on daily again, we break below the EMI. Okay, this was Friday, I guess. Yes. So on Friday, we break below the EMI. Then we opened with a gap and then we are going down. So now we are exhausted in downward movement. Okay, so this down move is exhausted. This looks like a new downtrend to me, but the new trade will happen only after the pullback. Okay, so no trades right now. 4 hour is again we are exhausted here. So pullback, rejection, bearish candle, then we go down. Okay, so look for shorts in this thing called USDJPY. And if you want stress-free trading and you want 27% growth yearly, check out the link below, the EA. And if you want some signals, whatever, okay. I mean, if you are happy in 27% per year, then just do the automation, okay. And if you want some trades, then you can join everything. And this is USDJPY. Look for shorts only after the pullback as per the current trend. And subscribe, like, and share. And if you want to book the consultation, you know how to do it. I'll see you in the next videos. Till then, take care.